5 apps that you can start. Don't show that one, that was the wrong app. The 5 best apps that you can make money with literally as soon as today, just using your cell phone. That is what we're gonna be talking about today, how to actually start making money from your good old smartphone and literally nothing else. Now, unfortunately, making money from apps on your phone is probably not gonna make you rich overnight, but this video will be perfect for you if you're just getting started or trying to build up some initial money to actually scale into a real full-time source of online income, such as Amazon FBA, starting a digital marketing agency, creating a course, or doing e-commerce of some kind. But if you're just looking to make a few extra bucks or make some quick cash, then this video is going to be perfect for you. And if you're interested in entrepreneurship and starting a business and building an online income and passive income and being able to travel the world and be your own boss, then make sure after you watch this full video, you check out the rest of my channel where I share a bunch of different amazing ways to start making thousands and thousands of dollars just using your good old laptop from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. And so without further ado, let's jump into the number 5 best money-making app of this year and count all the way down to the number 1 best app to start making money today using just your cell phone. Number 5 is an app called Acorns, and essentially what Acorns is it allows you to invest your spare change automatically. And with over 4.5 million users and over $1.2 billion in assets, you know that Acorns is a completely legitimate company that will actually allow you to make some extra money. Now, essentially how Acorns works is it allows you to link your credit card or checking account to the Acorns app, and it automatically rounds up transactions and allows you to invest that differential. So for example, if you pay for something that's like $3.93, it would actually round that up to 4 and invest that 7 cents on your behalf. But that's not the only way to actually make money with Acorns. Acorns also has a lot of partners such as Airbnb, Dollar Shave Club, Lyft, and so many other companies that will actually give you a percentage cash back or a cash bonus for actually using your Acorns account at those retailers. So if you actually spend money on Airbnb, for example, linked to your Acorns account, you actually get a 1.8% service discount on that actual purchase. And there's so many other retailers that you can actually save money with and invest your extra earnings with. And so number 5 is Acorns, a great way to start making money with this app. Number 4 is called Nielsen Mobile Rewards. And while that's not the best name for an app, this app is actually pretty cool. And essentially what it is Nielsen is a huge market research company, and they will actually pay you $50 per year per device simply for having the Nielsen app installed on your device. And if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, that's kind of crazy. Why would they pay me $50 per year per device, literally for nothing? And the reason is because it's valuable how you use the internet. And so the Nielsen app anonymously collects data about how you use the internet, how long you use the internet, your browsing habits, and things like that, 100% anonymously, and will actually pay you $50 per device per year simply for allowing them to actually collect that valuable data and share it with large tech companies and advertisers. Number 3 is an app called Receipt Hog, and you can see there's over 100,000 reviews for this particular app. And what it allows you to do is turn your receipts into cash. And to start making money with this app, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is take pictures of your receipts for things that you'd already be buying anyways and upload them into this app. And when you do that, you get bonuses in the form of points, and then you can exchange those points for prizes. And the coolest part is one of those prizes is actually straight up PayPal cash sent into your account. And Receipt Hog really tries to make this app fun by having things like a virtual slot machine and sweepstakes where you can win larger prizes such as Amazon gift cards and things like that. But the cool thing is this app doesn't really take any work to do. You'd already be buying these things, you'd already have these receipts, and so you might as well make some extra cash from this app simply by uploading pictures of those receipts. And if you're wondering to yourself, but Kevin, why are they paying me to upload pictures of my receipts? Because again, that data is valuable to companies to know about you and your purchase habits and your spending habits, to know what type of ads to actually serve you based on your actual purchase history. Number 2 is an app called Snapwire. Now, Snapwire essentially is a social network that allows designers, photographers, and artists to monetize the images that they take. And one of my favorite parts about Snapwire is you can actually navigate to creators and then look at recently purchased to actually get ideas of what types of photographs are actually being bought by companies every single day. And you might be thinking to yourself, but Kevin, why would they want to buy my pictures? Aren't these companies so giant and don't they have photographers and things like that? But the truth is, it's actually much cheaper in many cases for large companies to actually purchase photographs from websites like this to use in their blogs and newsletters and emails and content and commercials and all different types of content that's necessary for a company to actually exist on social media these days. And so you can act as a freelance photographer for these large companies, and simply for taking photos with your phone, you can actually start getting paid literally as soon as today. And the #1 best money-making app of late 2019, early 2020, we will get to in a second, but make sure you do me 2 favors. Tap the little like button if you're enjoying this video so far. It really does help me reach more people that I can actually help start to make money and start their online businesses. And also make sure you join the strongest team on YouTube by tapping the subscribe button and turning on notification bell so that you are the first to know whenever we drop a brand new video showing you how to make money online, showing you how to live a happier and healthier life. And so without further ado, the #1 best money-making app of this year is called Mobi. Mobi describes themselves as the secret shopping app, and they essentially will pay you to shop and dine at your favorite places. And you can earn rewards simply by giving feedback to the businesses you already go to. Now, essentially how Mobi works is you get to set out and do things called missions. And essentially what missions are doing random little tasks when it comes to local businesses and stores and shops in your area. And the cool part is a mission could be something as simple as going into a local store and taking a photo of a product or display. And based on the difficulty, the length, and the requirements of the specific mission, you can actually earn a pretty significant amount just for doing these basic, simple tasks. And the cool thing is, Mobi is not the only app where you can do this. If you really want to increase your actual earning potential, you can download other apps such as Gigwalk and Field Agent, and you can actually get missions from all 3 apps and go from store to store, filling out the different requirements, taking photos, and doing things like that to start earning 3 times the money, essentially doing the same type of work. And like I said before, guys, this is a really great way to start earning some quick cash. But if you're looking for a real way to start making money on the internet, I actually just published this. This is the first place I've shown this book anywhere. It literally took me over 2 years to write what's in here. And I'm actually giving away over 100 free copies of this book. And if you want to claim it, and if you want to learn everything that I have to teach of how I went from a dead-end accountant to creating the life that I'd always wanted to live, it's literally inside this book. The blueprint is in here. So if you want to claim your free copy, click the link down in the description and grab yours before we actually run out, because we do honestly have a very limited number of copies of this book. And so if you want to claim yours before they are all gone, click this link right here down in the description and grab it. Or if you're interested in learning more on YouTube, check out this video right here where we go over 5 even cooler apps that you can actually start making money with as soon as today. I promise you it'll be a good one. See you there. 5 apps that you can download literally today and start making money with just your phone. Now, I've done the research for you, so you know that none of these apps are scams. I did all